What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you guys read in the thumbnail, I am installing the new wheels I just bought. So I don't know if I should keep it to see what brand I got. Like, I don't know if you want to just wait until I see it or make this a reveal, you know, instead of be a reveal. I'm on my way now, so I'm excited. I've been, honestly, the reason I bought rims now was because my rear tires that I installed like December 9th, they're bald. Like, I'm gonna show you now in the video, but like, they're bald. I ended up just, because I was gonna buy 4 new tires for like the OEM wheels, but I didn't want to spend $1,000 something because I wanted to get like the Michelin Pilots Sport 4Ss, and I didn't want to spend that much and then having to buy them again when I buy new wheels. So I just ended up buying new wheels. So we're on our way now. We should be there shortly. I stopped to get some coffee, you know, gotta fuel up. So as you guys can see it now, and I'll show you the wheels soon, and then you're gonna see the rear tires like bald. Like, I gotta put a review on those tires. Like, they didn't last me anything. I haven't done any burnouts or anything. So because if you saw before I installed them, I did a burnout. I'll put the link in the description so you can see that video too. It's crazy, but yeah, they didn't last me anything. Yo, we're getting here. We're getting to this place. What? Are you ready? Oh, stop sign. I don't think you're ready for this. Speed bump. Oh. You ready? Oh shoot. Hella packed. Okay, so we're here. Let me turn off the whip. And let's go see. And I got a lot of tires. So let's go see the. Oh shit. So I think these are mine. 275, 30. What is that, the thing? So there's a place to get a mount the tires and align the car and everything. So, and then these are the wheels. Are you ready? Are you ready for the reveal? Ended up going with Stan's wheels. The wheels now, I have spaces on them, so now to get the rear tires. Take a video. That's the guy right there for Subarus. That's look at these rear tires, bro. The car is dirty, but we'll wash her after. What do you guys think? Are you guys ready? I'm not ready. I'm excited about the tires though, because the tires, I don't have any. These tires are Nexen, and the ones are the Federal ones that burn through super fast. So I think. Okay, yeah. So this is mine, 275, 30, 20, and then these are mine, 235 for the fronts. Guys, I'm excited. I actually can't wait to see the car with them on. So I'm probably gonna leave them in the car because I have to go back to work, and they are a little busy. So I'm gonna see if I can make them do some little clips of it. But yeah, guys, they have started. Look at this. we're on our way now to Extreme Park, because that's where we're meeting up. And then from there we're gonna drive to Supercar Saturdays, and then we're all gonna ride together, and you know, I'm gonna film all that, and probably be like a BMW takeover, because I'm meeting with just BMWs. So let's see how it goes. So look at the Aston Martin guy. I'm trying to get him, but he's trying to haul ass. Guys, this car is twin turbo. Here we can see it.
forged carbon.
Bye-bye. Oh, look at these GT3 RSs. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed this long watching the video, I hope you guys are subscribed. If not, go ahead and just subscribe and like the video. Look, and look, here's Spencer Berg's car. He's a famous YouTuber. He is doing so good right now. He has like 115 subscribers. If you guys like my video, like my wheels or something, go ahead and subscribe. Press the thumbs up button, because I have big plans for my car and big projects coming soon your way. So catch you guys next time, and let's do this.